Hi, my name is Mindy, and I joined Assistance League 2024 in the fall. And the first thing I signed up for was Operation School Bell. So when I worked that day, I had no idea what to expect. I did get my 10,000 steps in, but the best thing was to see all the families that came in to shop for school. And the kids were so excited. The parents were chasing after their children, trying to find different things to buy. But I think the special thing for me was when the parents and their kids came and I got to tally up their total purchases to see if they made the quota. And when they didn't, and they had more money to spend and more clothes to shop for, and to see the excitement in their faces and the gratefulness of the parents, that to me was the icing on the cake.
Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm privileged to be one of the community advisors for the Assistance League of Omaha. It's been my opportunity to work with my wife and be a part of Operation School Bell as a part of that service to ALO. It's been a real eye-opening experience to see everything that goes into the partnership between ALO and JCPenney's, and then the school administrators that help work with putting the families together. It's a gigantic undertaking from the standpoint of the amount of coordination and administration that goes on. So.
Hello, I'm Matt Ray, Superintendent of the Omaha Public Schools. Operation School Bell has been a great resource for the community for decades. Through the work of Operation School Bell, over 4,000 young people across the community have new clothes for school. We are one community working together. We are grateful for Operation School Bell.
I'm Leila Pettigrew, and I am a sales associate, so I cashier, and I do a lot of other things. I was part of Operation School Bell back in like elementary to middle school, around there, and it was really nice to come into like JCPenney, because when we were little, JCPenney was like the rich people's place. Like you had to have a lot of money to come here, and it's still like that, but. Yeah, it was just so nice to like come to like one of the fancy stores and come shop and be one of those kids to like have new shoes or a new pair of pants. And when you're little, your dad just would do everything to make you feel special. Like we'd miss like 3 days of school at the beginning and end, just so my dad would make sure we felt like we were special in some kind of way, like because we didn't have new clothes, we didn't have none of that. All our stuff was hand-me-downs from our uncles and stuff like that, which they had cool clothes and stuff. But yeah, it was just so nice to like go to school and be one of the cool kids that had like cool light-up sneakers and like a cool backpack with like a cool lunchbox and stuff like that. And it was just so nice to like have a break from constantly worrying for your family to make ends meet when you're in the hospital on dialysis and everything, and it's hard for your siblings.
My name is Corey Miles. I'm the general manager at the Westroads JCPenney. And Operation School Bell, I joined JCPenney almost 5 years ago. And I think I started the same week as Operation School Bell. And it was just the beginning of something incredible. Being a part of Operation School Bell for me personally has been amazing, just to know how many kids' lives we get to impact every single year, and just the history of, how many we've done over time. It's just crazy to think about. When I think I really appreciate the fact that we can take stress away from the families when it comes time for school year. Parents not having to pick between being able to get their kids a new shoes or outfit, and be able to make sure they pay their bills. Like, that's, I can't imagine having to make that decision, and I love that we can take that decision, off the table entirely. So for my team, I know that it matters. I have people who have retired, they come back just for Operation School Bell year after year. They want to be a part of it. They want to get to see all the kids, and yeah, it's a big deal, and we look forward to it every single year.
I'm Jill Anderson. I'm a school social worker with Millard Public Schools, and this is my 24th school year.
And I'm Mandy Farwell. I'm also a school social worker for Millard Public Schools, and I work at Anderson and Kiewit Middle Schools, and I've been here since 2014.
Yeah, we are here to just talk about how the Operation School Bell program has benefited our families. A few years ago, we had a fire in an apartment complex close in the Millard area, and we were able to reach out to the Operation School Bell program through their emergency response program and be able to help those families who lost everything during that fire. We reached out, and there was an immediate response, and the families were able to go right away to JCPenney's and be able to shop, and that just gave them the families so much relief right away in being able to clothe their children, and just to have that, it gave them hope during that time.
And I would say another way that we utilize Operation School Bell and the Emergency Relief Fund is we have a lot of students throughout the school year who move into our district, who are newcomers to Omaha, Nebraska. And so when they're trying to get established in the community, and we tried really hard to sit down and see where those needs are. And a lot of times we're able to fulfill the food and the shelter. The clothing is kind of like the icing on the cake. And so being able to provide them an opportunity through Operation School Bell and the Relief Fund, we're able to clothe them and their family, which is really a nice opportunity, because again, when we look at a student and we look at the whole child, we want to make sure that they feel good and they feel comfortable walking in that first day to school. So being able to have that resource in our community has been instrumental, because we want kids to feel comfortable, not only with the academic side, but also that social emotional side, and we don't ever want for a student to feel stigmatized. So having that resource has been instrumental for us.
Have you looked on the other side too?
Yeah, we started on the other side, so
Where are we now?
Oh, yeah.
How much is it?
Thank you.
That's a good question. Now, why did, oh, here we go. Let me see how much it is. That would be $11.99. Is that the right size? Oh, there's a bunch of them back there. Oh, you know what? This is for the girls.